Earth is the planet we live on, the third of 8 planets in our solar system. The Earth's relationship to the Sun and the amount of light it receives, that is responsible for the seasons and biodiversity. But today our ecosystem is so polluted, because 40% of global CO2 emissions are emitted from electricity generation. Burning these fuels results in the production of carbon dioxide and greenhouse gas responsible for global warming. To wait a second, electricity is so expensive nowadays. Just observe the units consumed on the bill, and compare it to the units consumed in the previous month, and the same month in the previous year. If the units consumed are comparable, then it is highly, and resulting in higher amount in rupees. Stop paying higher electricity bills. Stop generating carbon dioxide. Save your money choosing solar energy. Solar energy is radiant light and heat from the sun that is harnessed using a range of ever-evolving technologies such as solar heating, photovoltaic. Now choosing Sunifics Solar of switch on the sun. Sunifics Solar offers an endless supply of energy that can power your home, society, residential building, and you can tap into it by installing solar panels on your roof. Industries, SMEs, commercial buildings. Incentives for a solar-powered world, and use sun energy for the future. A solar power system can cut back on high electricity bills, so switch on the sun right now. Our mission is to switch on the sun to power every home, every roof, every industries, every city and every village of our country, and protect the environment for future generations by producing your own clean solar energy. Every solar power system installed decreases the number of fossil fuels needed to generate electricity, which in turn reduces the pollutants contributing to global warming.